in Zion. Black man must be free, my brother. Anywhere we be, my brother. So love one another. For Jah will guide and protect you. Oh yeah, for 10,000 lions enter in Zion. Jah, 10,000 lions enter in Zion. For equal rights and justice, stand for us. Who know that Satan's kingdom must fall. So not to judge, you better get on the ball. For 10,000 lions enter in Zion. Jah, 10,000 lions enter in Zion. Jah,
Traveling from the country man to take in a movie. 007 Bond, James Bond. Ooh yeah, oh watch your man. Me say that tracks to Spanish down for what? Now figure take a little princess, that you. Me say me take me little princess, man, them cut off her breast. Me say me coulda never rest. Oh, me say me coulda never rest because me know me are the best, and still them cut off me princess breast. Man, me say that wicked action in a creation. Wicked action in a creation. But my name is Bond, James Bond. 007. We from the country in a liquor truck. A man a said a box up in a accident. Why must it a good thing I'm a walk up and I'm on resident, and then I mash up in a accident. Pop, tell me know me the Fanta. Come make me tell you, say me know me the Fanta. Bro, one sticking plaster and me know what me after. Me princess, me are the best. Why me look at you, look like I got Christmas, but put up a princess, me are gonna let my body, Mommy, I go let Papa, I got the rest. Why coming from the country, people call me country bum, and I know most of me are Kingston, yeah. But you them see me out at evil street, I sell the onion. Good God, I wanna TV about the sound of either way. Sound of coming down was maybe a little kids that movie, he gonna eat what I say, yeah. Can't let me tell you, gonna eat what I say. Say so, they call me really, really young. But I think you say that, me say me chatting out the Spanish town. Man, I think you say they cut off me princess breast. Man, me say me must have to find the wicked one who do that plan. Find the wicked one, of it the wicked plan, I cut off him right Mr. Judges. Man with the judges who record off him right. Boy, a man must respect a woman because a woman's breast is the thing that feed him. And a man must know that the breast milk is the best thing for the baby. This time is out with really. I'm gonna tell you about the sound of it. Sound of the rhythm, no matter what she was saying. Yeah, but watch out.